Good morning. It is Memorial Day, and it took me 2 days for the paper clay, everything to dry. Um, I added my. I'm trying to use it. I was trying to use up all the paper mache stuff that I had made, so I'll make another batch for the other cat for his little stand. But he's not glued in yet. But this is what he looks like. He's gonna be kind of whimsy. It took me about 2.5 days for this whole thing to completely dry, and it's hard because when you use the joint compound, when you add that into with the glue and the and the flour and the salt, it gets really hard. Plus, the paper, and I used newspaper and some toilet paper just because I like the texture. I don't like it totally smooth. I don't know. So I'm going to finish the base later. I'll probably put, I was thinking about on the bottom, I'll probably put some black felt on it so it kind of stays, I guess. But have you guys figured out what two people I absolutely adore, which these cats are going to be named after? And they're going to be whimsical, obviously. That's how I wanted to do it, something different. So I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do, and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm going to use just some paper bag. I stamped it with my Distress ink. I guess I'm just going to glue it on. I forgot I had that. I think I have another one too, but I always forget that I have it because I don't use it that often. Mix this glue and water up a little bit. Let's see if this stays. So what are you guys all doing for Memorial Day? Let's see. Hope you guys can hear me. My stamp. I'm just using my homemade stamps, just foam and cardboard. Oops. Not dry. Okay. Oh. Just a little bit more. See if this works. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm trying not to be perfect on this, but okay, so this needs to be trimmed some more. Let's see. Ouch. Don't cut your finger when you're using your scissors. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure this sticks. it'll stick. Okay, so let this dry. I'll be back again. I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with my cat, what I want him to look like, so I'll be back in a few. Bye, guys. Okay, well, I'm still not sure what I want to do. I know I want him to have a little shirt on. Just trying to figure out the color. Because I want it to be whimsy. We'll see. And I got my really bad paintbrushes out because just let's see. These are really the cheapy ones. Okay. So this shirt should be right about halfway. I don't really know what to talk about. Nothing much going on. Just want to get this done. I started because I got 2 of them to do, so it took almost 2.5 days for everything to be fully dry before I can start painting on it and stuff. I don't know if I'll add any embellishments. I might make some little things to add to it. I'm not sure yet. So this might be actually rather long. I hope you guys don't get bored with it. Just takes time for everything to dry and my brain to figure out what I want to look like. I just know I want it to be whimsy. Not realistic, obviously. I got done watching Kelly Donovan's video a little bit ago. I love her. I think she's such an awesome person. I'm really missing Secrets videos, and I know that she's around. I started to watch Eileen's video, but I need to pause it so I can do my video. Because it's supposed to be, I think, from the 80s again today, but I'm not sure. My husband's going to make a barbecue for me. Well, for all of us, but can you guys see? Let's scooch up again, sorry. This is probably not the best paintbrush. That's funny because I just went and bought a bunch of new ones, and I'm like, oh, let's pick the really crappy ones. That's okay. So I'm just gonna get this done. Add some more paint to my little lid. Okay, gonna let this dry now. And flip them over and do the other side. I'll let this dry, shouldn't take too long. And I'll be back, guys. Sorry, I'm just being so, silly looks like so far. Okay, be back in just a few minutes. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna use the bigger brush. So start right here. Wow, I knew I was going to do that. Not go with the paint. Darn it. Well, I guess I'll use the paint on the... I'm like, I don't know what to do with this extra paint. Can't believe I did that. Okay. salvage this paint, but try. I spilled paint everywhere. Can I use this for something? No. I got blue water. Okay. Try this. I got paint everywhere. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop here for now because I gotta add all my videos together. Then I'll come back once everything is dry and my paint over here is picked up. So hope you enjoyed so far. I'll be back in a few minutes hopefully. Bye guys.